over there.
I'm working for her, but no more of this.
I'm Debbie Sutton.
Let's have some privacy now. Yeah, right. Who's that?
This young man will show you a booth.
Good morning. Good to see you again.
Alright, your ballot is here. I'm sure you do both sides. Hold on to this until you get all the way around to the scanner. He will show you to 900. All right. Excuse me.